Before the F-35, before fifth-generation fighters became common, there was one aircraft that completely changed aerial warfare forever. A fighter so advanced that even decades after its first flight, no nation has matched its air superiority. This is the incredible story of the F-22 Raptor, the world's most dominant stealth fighter ever built. During the late Cold War, the United States realized that future Soviet fighter aircraft could challenge American air superiority. Military planners knew that the next generation of fighters would need unmatched speed, stealth, agility, and advanced electronics to survive future battlefields. In 1981, the U.S. Air Force officially launched the Advanced Tactical Fighter program. The mission was simple, but incredibly ambitious. Build a fighter capable of defeating every known enemy aircraft, while remaining almost invisible to enemy radar. America's biggest aerospace companies entered one of the most secretive competitions in aviation history. Lockheed teamed with Boeing and General Dynamics, while Northrop partnered with McDonnell Douglas. Only one design would become the future of American air dominance. After years of engineering, thousands of design changes, and countless wind tunnel tests, Lockheed's revolutionary prototype finally began taking shape. It would soon become known as the YF-22, a fighter unlike anything the world had ever seen. On September 29, 1990, years of secret development led to a historic moment. The YF-22 lifted off for its maiden flight from Edwards Air Force Base in California. As the prototype climbed into the clear desert sky, engineers and Air Force officials watched in silence. Every second of the flight would determine whether America's next air superiority fighter was ready for the future. The competition came down to two revolutionary aircraft: Lockheed's agile YF-22 and Northrop's futuristic YF-23. One focused on unmatched maneuverability. The other emphasized extreme stealth and speed. Both represented the future of air combat, but only one would become America's next frontline fighter. Flight testing revealed the true personality of both aircraft. During demanding aerial demonstrations, the YF-22 consistently impressed test pilots with its incredible agility, rapid turns, powerful acceleration, and precise handling. It proved that dominance in the sky required more than stealth alone. In April 1991, the United States Air Force made its decision. Lockheed's YF-22 had won the Advanced Tactical Fighter competition. It combined stealth, agility, reliability, and future growth potential into a single platform. The victory marked the beginning of one of the most advanced fighter programs ever created. Winning the competition was only the beginning. Engineers refined nearly every system, from stealth shaping to advanced avionics and powerful new engines. As development progressed, the aircraft officially received its legendary name, the F-22 Raptor, a fighter designed to dominate the skies for decades to come. The F-22 wasn't designed to simply fly faster, it was built to disappear. Every angle, every panel, and every surface was carefully engineered to scatter radar waves instead of reflecting them back. Combined with radar-absorbing materials, the aircraft became incredibly difficult for enemy radar systems to detect, allowing it to see threats long before they even knew it was there. Hidden beneath the F-22's sleek airframe are two Pratt & Whitney F-119 turbofan engines. Together, they produce more than 70,000 pounds of thrust, giving the aircraft extraordinary acceleration and the ability to climb almost vertically. These engines transformed the Raptor into one of the most powerful fighter jets ever built. One of the F-22's greatest technological achievements is its ability to supercruise. Unlike most fighter aircraft, it can maintain supersonic speeds without using fuel-hungry afterburners. This allows the Raptor to travel faster, remain harder to detect, and conserve fuel during long-range missions. While speed is important, survival in aerial combat often depends on agility. The F-22 uses thrust-vectoring engine nozzles that move independently, allowing the aircraft to perform incredibly tight turns, rapid pitch changes, and maneuvers that leave conventional fighters struggling to keep up. Beyond its speed and stealth, the F-22's greatest advantage lies inside the cockpit. Powerful computers combine information from radar, sensors, navigation systems, and electronic warfare equipment into one clear picture. This process, known as sensor fusion, allows pilots to make faster decisions while maintaining complete awareness of the battlefield. After years of development and testing, the F-22 Raptor officially entered operational service with the United States Air Force in December 2005. The first operational unit, the 27th Fighter Squadron at Langley Air Force Base, became responsible for introducing a completely new era of air superiority. Pilots and maintenance crews spent countless hours mastering technology unlike anything they had ever operated before. Flying the F-22 requires years of experience and intense training. Every pilot must master advanced avionics, stealth tactics, high-G maneuvering, and complex air combat strategies before earning the privilege of flying the Raptor. Only the most skilled fighter pilots are selected to operate this extraordinary aircraft. As global tensions evolved, the F-22 expanded beyond American skies. Raptors deployed to Allied bases across the Pacific, Europe, and the Middle East, strengthening deterrence and reassuring allies. Their presence alone often demonstrated American air power without a single shot being fired. In 2014, the F-22 entered combat for the first time during operations against ISIS targets in Syria. Instead of engaging enemy fighters, the Raptor used its precision strike capabilities to attack carefully selected ground targets while remaining virtually undetectable throughout the mission. It proved that the aircraft could dominate far beyond traditional air-to-air combat. Decades after its first flight, the F-22 Raptor remains one of the most capable air superiority fighters ever built. Its unique combination of stealth, supercruise, thrust vectoring, advanced sensors, and highly trained pilots continues to set the global standard. Although newer technologies continue to emerge, the Raptor's legacy has permanently changed the future of aerial warfare. Despite its unmatched performance, the F-22 program faced a difficult reality. The Cold War had ended, defense priorities were changing, and the aircraft's advanced technology made it extremely expensive to produce. In 2009, the U.S. government decided to end production after building just 187 operational Raptors, far fewer than originally planned. Unlike many American fighter aircraft, the F-22 has never been sold to another country. Even close allies such as Japan, Australia, and Israel expressed interest, but U.S. law prohibited exports to protect the aircraft's highly classified stealth technology, advanced radar systems, and electronic warfare capabilities. Maintaining the F-22 is one of the most demanding tasks in military aviation. Specialized crews inspect every inch of the aircraft after each mission, preparing stealth coatings, testing avionics, and ensuring every system performs flawlessly. Reliability depends on thousands of hours of precision maintenance carried out behind the scenes. Although production has ended, the F-22 continues to evolve. Software updates, improved sensors, enhanced electronic warfare systems, and modern communication networks allow the Raptor to remain effective against emerging threats. Continuous modernization ensures that an aircraft designed decades ago still competes at the highest level today. Today's security environment is very different from the one the F-22 was designed for. Modern air defenses, advanced electronic warfare, and new generations of fighter aircraft continue to evolve. Yet the Raptor remains a cornerstone of U.S. air superiority, regularly participating in multinational exercises and demonstrating capabilities that still command respect around the world. As other nations introduced their own fifth-generation fighters, comparisons with the F-22 became inevitable. Aircraft such as China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57 represent significant advances in military aviation. While each was designed with different priorities and capabilities, the F-22 continues to be recognized for its combination of stealth, supercruise, agility, and advanced situational awareness, remaining a benchmark in modern air superiority. One of the F-22's most important missions is protecting national and allied airspace. When unidentified military aircraft approach sensitive regions, Raptors can be scrambled within minutes to identify, monitor, and escort them while maintaining a safe and professional distance in accordance with international procedures. The F-22 and F-35 were designed for different roles, but together they create one of the world's most capable air combat partnerships. The F-22 specializes in gaining air superiority, while the F-35 excels at intelligence gathering, precision strike missions, and sharing battlefield information across the force. Even as the F-22 continues to serve, the U.S. Air Force is already preparing for its eventual successor through the Next Generation Air Dominance program. Lessons learned from decades of operating the Raptor are helping shape future aircraft that will combine advanced stealth, artificial intelligence, unmanned systems, and even greater networking capabilities. More than 3 decades after its first flight, the F-22 Raptor remains one of the most influential fighter aircraft ever created. It redefined stealth, transformed aerial tactics, and established new standards for air superiority. Its innovations continue to influence the design of future combat aircraft, ensuring that the Raptor's legacy will endure for generations to come. Before an F-22 pilot ever faces a real-world mission, they train in one of the world's most demanding aerial exercises, Red Flag. Conducted over the vast Nevada desert, these exercises simulate complex modern air combat with realistic threats, electronic warfare, and coordinated missions involving dozens of aircraft. Here, every decision is tested under intense pressure. Modern warfare extends far beyond missiles and maneuvering. The F-22 is equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems designed to detect, analyze, and respond to radar emissions while helping pilots maintain awareness in complex electromagnetic environments. Working alongside its stealth design, these systems increase survivability and mission effectiveness. Every successful F-22 mission depends on far more than the pilot alone. Engineers, maintenance specialists, weapons technicians, air traffic controllers, and mission planners work together to keep the aircraft ready for every flight. Their precision and dedication ensure the Raptor performs at its highest level whenever it is called upon. Over the years, many myths have surrounded the F-22. Some claim it is completely invisible to radar, while others believe it has never evolved since entering service. In reality, stealth significantly reduces detection but does not make an aircraft literally invisible, and the Raptor has continued to receive upgrades that enhance its sensors, communications, and operational capabilities. More than 20 years after entering service, the F-22 Raptor continues to symbolize American air superiority. Its pioneering blend of stealth, speed, maneuverability, and advanced avionics reshaped military aviation and influenced every new generation of fighter design. Whether flying training missions or protecting Allied airspace, the Raptor remains one of the most respected combat aircraft ever built. No aircraft remains on the front line forever. As the F-22 fleet ages, the U.S. Air Force continues balancing modernization with long-term replacement plans. Until a next-generation air superiority platform is fully operational, the Raptor remains an essential part of America's defense, receiving upgrades and careful maintenance to keep it mission-ready for years to come. The future of air combat is already taking shape. The U.S. Air Force is developing the Next-Generation Air Dominance Program, often called NGAD. Instead of relying on a single fighter, future air superiority is expected to combine crewed aircraft, autonomous drones, artificial intelligence, and advanced networking into one integrated combat system. The F-22's success provides many of the lessons guiding this next chapter. Many technologies first demonstrated by the F-22 have influenced modern fighter aircraft around the world. Advanced stealth shaping, sensor fusion, super cruise, integrated avionics, and pilot-centered battlefield awareness became defining features of future aircraft. The Raptor did more than dominate the skies. It helped redefine what a fifth-generation fighter could be. Across the globe, the F-22 Raptor has become one of the most recognizable symbols of modern air power. Aviation enthusiasts admire its engineering, military professionals study its capabilities, and future pilots continue to dream of flying it. Few aircraft have earned such lasting respect through innovation, discipline, and operational excellence. From secret Cold War concepts to becoming one of the world's most advanced fighter aircraft, the F-22 Raptor has written a remarkable chapter in aviation history. Its combination of stealth, speed, agility, and technological innovation reshaped air combat and inspired generations of engineers and pilots. While the future will bring new aircraft and new challenges, the Raptor's legacy will continue to soar wherever the history of flight is remembered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible stories from the world of military aviation.